hey. Play's gonna play. I'm just gonna shake. Shake it off. Kids, are you in the room? Where's your mom? Tell her to go somewhere else, okay? This one is just for us. It's a secret kids cooking show. Okay, are they out of the room? All right, we are getting ready for Mother's Day, and it's in 10 days, and so we need to start getting ready now. Okay, I posted the checklist, okay? So have your other parent, print the checklist so you can see what's on it to get ready. We've got homemade cards to make. We've got to make something crafty at home because moms love when you make homemade stuff. They don't want you to order it. They want you to make it themselves, no matter how old you are. We have to learn how to make caramel sauce. You have to look at the video of my previous show and find out how to make oatmeal cookies or oatmeal waffles or pancakes, whatever your mom likes. Okay, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the caramel sauce that goes on top. Right, so take notes if you need to, but if not, don't worry. Make sure that when you make it, you get dressed up. So I got dressed up for us because I always get dressed up. Today is Princess Day, so I wore my crown. Princess Queen, how do I look? Okay, let's get started. The first thing you're going to use for caramel sauce, they're called dates, but they're otherwise known as cockroaches. Ew! They look like cockroaches, but they're actually very sweet. Okay, and don't do this on Mother's Day, but when you just place one like on the floor, you can play a practical joke on your parents and scream, cockroach! Ah! And it'll totally work, I swear. I am pinching each date open so I can make sure that they don't have a pit. Because some of them have a pit and some of them don't. So you don't want pits, okay? No pits. What do you guys like to eat caramel sauce with, right? We like caramel apples. We like caramel bananas. We like caramel. Well, it goes on everything. Just the caramel is great. Caramel ice cream. I know some of you like that. So you are going to make sure all of your dates don't have any pit in them. And you're also going to soak them in water before. The reason we soak them in water before is because we want them to be really soft. And we're going to get ready to blend them. Oh, another pit. For every pit you discover, you get 10 points. Okay, so you're going to add up the number of points that you got when you're putting your dates into your caramel sauce. So far I have 4 points. No, 40. I have 40 points. Now tell me in the comments below how you plan on surprising your mom for Mother's Day. The reason we like surprising our moms for Mother's Day is because we like to see that smile on their face, right? We like it that they feel loved and appreciated for everything they do for us, right? Because they do a lot. Moms do a lot. And think of the unconventional gifts that you can give your mom this Mother's Day, like extra sleep time. She might like that, right? There's all kinds of ways to get creative on the gifts that you can give your mom. Okay, so all the dates are in a blender. I use a NutriBullet. And then I want you to look in your cupboard and see what you have. Do you have peanut butter? Do you have almond butter? Do you have anything that's like creamy that you can scoop and put in with the dates is what you'll want to use. So I'm going to use, well, how about we use both? How about we use be a little rebellious and we just put whatever we want in it. Yeah! Let's do that. Because I know who the real rebellious professionals are, right? We don't follow the rules, right? We like to do what we like to do when we want to do it. Woo! This is almond butter. I subscribe to a box called Hungry Root, so if you want to know more about that and how I feel about that and my review about that, feel free to contact me. But this one's kind of fun because you can squeeze it out, right? Ew! So now we have dates, peanut butter, and almond butter. And we need some other kind of flavor. What do you guys like to eat peanut butter with? Is it peanut butter or grape? Kid flavor? We're going to add a little bit of either vanilla extract or almond extract. What do you think we should use? Vanilla or almond? But no almond? We should use vanilla. Vanilla, okay. Let's use vanilla extract. And I'd like to talk to you guys about the possibility of making a wand for your mom. Maybe she would like a magic wand. Right here I have my set of magic wands that I've made. This one right here is my oldest magic wand. And all you need to make a wand is either a stick, or you can use find something around the house that looks like a stick. And you can find anything to put on top, and you either need some string or yarn, or I use this glitter plastic or ribbon. There's all kinds of things that you can use to decorate a magic wand, and I can definitely help you make a magic wand. We can do a whole class just for magic wands. So make sure that we connect. Make sure that I connect with your parents so I can let you know when my magic wand class is coming, because they allow you to cook the best meals. Bada bing, bada boo. Magic food is for you. Oh, got a little out of control there. My wand's very powerful. Okay. After we put vanilla extract, let's stop the light there. We're going to put in spices. What kind of flavors do you like? Or what flavors do you think your mom would like? Cinnamon? Let's put some cinnamon. Magic cinnamon. I'm going to put some magic ginger in here. And how do you know how much to put in, right? Well, you know what the things I love about you guys is because you guys don't ask me that question. The adults do. The adults always ask me, how much are you putting in? I need to know how much. But you guys never do. You guys just go for it. And that's why I love cooking with you guys. You're awesome. This is a little nutmeg. Do any of you like eggnog with like nutmeg on top? No? Yeah? All right. Well, nutmeg is, smell it and then see what you think about it. And then you can add it if you want to, or you can leave it out if you don't. And also think about what your mom might want. Okay, we're going to make it a little bit creamier. And so we're going to do that by adding some coconut oil. Do you like coconut oil? Do you need it already? You're just going to add about maybe a tablespoon of coconut oil. And that's going to give it its creaminess that we love. And this caramel sauce, I would recommend that you look at the oatmeal, waffle, or pancake recipe that I did before, and then this can be drizzled on top. Now, if your mom likes chocolate sauce, then you're going to want to put some cacao in there. Yeah, and then it'll automatically become chocolate sauce. I am putting some liquid. We need to put some liquid into our caramel sauce, so I am using organic coconut unsweetened milk, but whatever milk that you prefer is the best milk. Yeah? What kind of milk do you guys like to use? This is the fun part. This is the fun, loud part. I think I need a little bit more liquid. My magic senses are telling me I might need a little more liquid. All right, we're going to pop it on. Here we go. You ready? Make sure you have your dance prepared, because whenever you blend something, you have to dance. Ready? Okay, ours is a little thick still, but the other reason that I like cooking with you guys is because you guys like to taste things. But I need somebody to help me open this right now. Let's see. I got it. Let's just try it before it's done. It's sweet and caramely and smooth. I just need a little bit more liquid. And just because I'm putting in these ingredients doesn't mean that you can't add what you think will be good to go in. So what other creative things do you think might go in this caramel sauce? All right, let's see if we got it right. Which really there is no right. There's no such thing as right. Consistency do you want your caramel sauce to be? Do you want it to be thin or thick? Right now mine's thick, but I think I just want it a little bit thinner. So we'll just keep putting in some liquid until it reaches our desired runniness. I can't wait for you to dress up and show me what you're making in the kitchen with a video or a picture, because I want to see what your version looks like, and your mom is going to love it because she's going to be so grateful about how thoughtful you are in making something homemade from scratch. Look, I am just spooning out our caramel sauce that we've made together. We're having so much fun in the kitchen. And what are we gonna, I was supposed to have some apples because you can make caramel apples with this. You can put it on anything and it tastes delicious. Let's see what I have to put on it. Let's see. Anything? There's nothing by hand, but handy. Let's see, how about a banana? Woo! Flying bananas! Don't you just love it when magic flying bananas appear? Yes! Alright, let's try it on our banana. Caramel banana boat. What name would you give this? You can make up names of all the food that you make in the kitchen, which is really cool. That is so delicious! Okay, I can't wait to cook with you guys again. We still have one more cooking class before Mother's Day happens. So next week, we're going to do another video helping you guys prepare to surprise your mom, that special someone in your life. Love you guys. Keep dancing, keep cooking, keep hugging and loving. I will see you guys later.